Hi guys, I did a video a few days back saying that I'd been struggling to find battery powered handheld fans because the hot weather, people have bought them all up and the shops are all out of stock. And then I found these in a charity shop. They were brand new, but the charity shop was selling them. Oxycool portable mini fan, and they cost me £1.95 each. And then I explained that when I got home, I then found we'd already got this one on the window ledge. And this one's got the additional feature of pump action spraying water. There is an issue with that sort of thing. If you leave the water in there for more than a few days, there's every chance you can get bacteria build up in it. And then you're spraying bacteria-filled water straight on your face or inhaling it. So I just thought I'd mention that. We've got one of those mister fan things that sits on a desk and blows mist at you, and that has warnings on it telling you you've got to clean the water out every 3 days. It even has an alarm feature that starts the alarm going after 3 days if you haven't cleaned it out. Anyway, that's a side issue. The day after I did that video, I went in another, I can't remember which shop it was now, but they had battery operated fans. I'll put the picture up here somewhere. So that was the next day. And then today we've been in Poundland and they've got their stock back in. And of course, I bought 3 of them because they were £1.50 each, or 3 for £3. So basically, if you buy 3, you get 1 free. So £1.50 each, 3 for £3. Those were £1.95 each. I've no idea how much that one was because that's quite a few years old now. Like most of my stuff, being an old man. Anyway, these look okay. Need a screwdriver. The only thing I noticed with these is the push button, I think, is non-latching. In other words, you have to hold it in for it to run. Whereas these ones, they latch. In other words, they stay on when you press the button and then go off. Because these ones have got the fold-out stand, so you can put it on a desk blowing at you. So they are quite nice, and they are a step up from the cheaper ones from Poundland. Can I get that off? Yes. So, I don't know what these batteries are like. These are some from my stock of ones that I just chuck in a pile when we're not using them. Okay, didn't work at all. Okay, we'll try some better batteries. Ones that I know are good. These are my lithium-ion batteries. Yeah. Oh, so we've got some dead batteries there. And that's blowing pretty well with those batteries in it. They are limited to 1.5 volts before you start worrying about them being lithium-ion and being 4.2 volts fully charged. They've got little circuits in them that limit the output to 1.5 volts, but they last forever. Not very powerful. And it does latch, so I was wrong. And they do latch on and off. So that's good. Just out of interest, oh no, I can't put those in here because these are only AAA batteries, which I don't expect to last very long. I was talking about the possibility of modifying these and putting little LiPo batteries in them anyway. But that'll be another little project sometime in the future. I don't like that. That really doesn't go in very well. I've got to get it lined up right, and shut it, and then shut it. So yeah, 3 for £3. Simple, basic, and it works. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm just looking at these. I might do a teardown video on one of them just so we can have a look inside and see if there would be space to put a LiPo battery in there. So that'll be a separate video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.